Push it down. Okay, you're gonna make it go down. You have to push it. Yay!
Yay!
Okay, now your turn. Okay, your turn. Here we go. Arms out. Legs out. That's a point. Arms out. Okay, now here we go. Go, go, go.
Go, 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 Ryan!
Go, get your arms out. Okay, arms out. Arms out. Arms out.
There you go. There you go. Move those arms.
Yeah. Reach, reach, reach.
Good, buddy. Good. Yeah. And then
So
take
help
your
him a
arm
little
again.
bit here at the pelvis. Okay, he learns to stabilize it here a little bit more.
Okay.
Go, go, go.
Okay.
And stretch your arms out.
Good job, Ryan.
Here's go. You can get that ball.
Yay!